Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. Another great eBay find. Want to share this with you. This Dodge Omni has something a little extra in the box. Let me share it with you. Not long ago, I was reviewing my decal stash, and as I was looking through, I got to the drag racing decals, and I ran across two sets of the old Slicks decal set, as you see here, of the Sox and Martin Omni from the early 1980s. So I started looking up other cars in that era of the Horizon, the Plymouth Horizon and the Dodge Omni, and the guys that drove those, as you see a few of those here. And I thought, I've got the Roy Hill version that I was going to be working on as well. So I thought that Sox and Martin was always a good looking car, and one of their last as well. So I went on eBay and found this jewel, this MPC, and ordered it, and it was listed as open but brand new, and it is unbuilt. But let's take a look at the box real quick. Model illustrated actual size, and we see the size of the box there. And stock and custom building versions. So we have optional turbocharger set up. We got custom seats, custom wheels, and I had the golden wheels. I don't know if any of you guys that have been around a while remember the golden wheels thing that they did, but we'll see if the brochure's inside for it. But what they did was you had to collect X number of these tokens, and you sent them in for a free model kit. But I think you had to buy like 5 kits or something like that. I want to say that's right, 5 to get enough of the tokens to get a free kit. But hey, it was free. And yeah, offer ends December 31st, 1980. So this was in probably 79 or early 80. Hey, they don't do that anymore, do they? But anyway, as I said in the opening, there was a bonus in here that was not listed. But check this out. Not only do we have the the Omni. Cool, huh? But check it out. There was a Ford EXP, and it's a little bit of a glue bomb. I think I saw 2 of the wheels down in there. Got the 4-banger. Really dusty. But check that out. And these were running Pro Stock too. So 2. Is that not wicked? I never was a fan of those vents on the back window. But, well, I shouldn't say that. On the right car, sometimes they looked all right. This is a 1982 Ford EXP. But a little bonus, how about that? Somebody did some hand painting on the blue and white interior. And kind of cool, but that made my day. Got a bonus out of it too. But let's take a look at this thing. Everything it's fully unassembled, and best I can look so far, everything is in here. Windows, I'm gonna have to, that's a little scratched up back there, so we'll be buffing that out with some Novus. Yeah, everything's good there. And the decals. Now check this out. These things look like they're new. They're not yellowed. Not bad. I guess that's what they're going for there. They're in really good shape. Yeah, here we go. This is what we were talking about. The golden wheels are here. And on the outside of every MPC 1980 annual car package, you'll find golden wheel tokens. When you have collected 20 tokens, you can exchange them for another MPC model kit free. And then there's your address. And I I thought there was more kits than this, but oh, wait a minute, that you could choose from. Yeah, there we go. But you could choose from any of these and put the number down, I think. This is not one that, of these that I did anyway. Yeah, and then there's your, hey kids of all ages, fill in this coupon and mail it together with 20 Golden Wheels tokens, plus $1 to cover postage and packaging. $1 for postage for a package. Yeah, okay. All right, and there's our instructions. There's our hood, the tail light section. Cool. And the grill. Had that sloped aerodynamic mean look to it. And then of course I think these two are the ones, yeah, these were for the, on the, whoa, there's 3 of them for the EXP. Yeah, there was just, I thought there were 2, but there's 3, and then those are the wheels for the Omni. But check that out. Hood. And the biggest reason I broke this one out is, if you remember video before last, I think it was, we took a look at the odd scale, to me anyway, odd scaled Plymouth Arrow, well, quote Arrow, but I think it's a Gallant. But let's line this thing up and take a look at it here real quick. Let's get it on the grids here, right there to right there, and let's take a look. Yeah, that's not the same scale, guys. Even with the nose on this thing, that's not coming. No, and the wheelbase, see the wheels here and back here, this is not even remotely close. And based on the comments in that other video when we talked about this Arrow, I think everybody kind of agreed that it was a little bigger than 24th scale, and that's just cool though. Liking that Arrow there too. And real quick, I think there's only one engine option in this. Of course, I'm just going to be using the body on this to do a Pro Stock anyway, and I'm thinking I'm going to do the Horizon first of Roy Hill's. I want to do that or the Duster. Yeah, that's the only, well, you got the stock engine option and then the turbo. But cool little kit. But you know what? I have a box that's just nothing but motors. And this kind of thing is a cool little something to add to something different and something a little unique. But wow, check that out. If you line those up, I'm out of frame. Sorry about that, guys. Move this up just a touch. Yeah, if you line up even the wheelbases, it's way off. Oh well, all right. Well, we know now. All right. Well, let's box this puppy back up. I'll polish that out and get that back in another bag. But a 2-in-1, so to speak. So we have an Omni and an EXP. And I tell you what, this EXP, that's a bad looking little body too. Cool. All right, guys. Thanks for sticking around for this one. Appreciate it very much. If you're not a subscriber, head over, show us some love. Give us a like. Guys, appreciate it again. God bless. Have an awesome week, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.